Home sales were off 21.89% this report, while inventory rose again and the median home sales price fell this report. It's Friday, August 15th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. There are 2,195 units for sale this report at a median $415,000 list price and a median days on the market of 77 days. 141 properties are coming soon. 197 homes went under contract, rising 8.4% this report, and under contract in 33 days. 137 homes settled at 95% list to sold ratio, with days before contract rising to 44 days and at a median $359,000. Homes for lease rose to 130 units at a median $2,225 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, August 15th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. Take care.